A city known for its energy, diversity, and innovation, this dynamic environment stands an institute focused on one mission: preparing the next generation of engineers and tradespeople. Welcome to the Australian Institute of Engineering, a specialised registered training organisation dedicated exclusively to engineering and advanced manufacturing trades. The Institute operates within a 4,000 square metre state-of-the-art facility, equipped with modern technologies, automation systems, and practical training environments. AIE is also the only Singapore-approved training provider in Australia, reflecting its strong international credibility and commitment to high-quality engineering education. Internationally, through recognition by the Singapore Institute of Engineering Technologists, AIE qualifications are recognised across 10 ASEAN countries, including Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Brunei, Cambodia, Laos, and Myanmar. While based in Melbourne, AIE has a strong national presence, delivering training programs across Victoria, New South Wales, South Australia, Tasmania, and Western Australia, through state funding contracts and industry collaborations.
At the Australian Institute of Engineering, we recognized early on that engineering industry is evolving faster than the traditional training systems can respond. Our vision is simple: to deliver engineering education that mirrors the real world. We invest heavily in modern technologies, practical training environments, and strong industry engagement to ensure our graduates are ready to contribute from day one. We are preparing engineers and technicians who can succeed not only in Australia, but in engineering environments around the world.
The Australian Institute of Engineering has earned recognition at both state and national levels for excellence in vocational education and training. In 2024, the Institute was recognised at the Australian Training Awards, achieving bronze place nationally within its category. At the Victorian Training Awards, AIE was recognised as the leading training organisation in small training provider category in Victoria, securing first place at the state level. The Institute has also been recognised multiple times at the Hume Business Awards, acknowledging its contribution to local industry, workforce development, and the broader business community.
At AIE, our focus is on preparing students for real engineering environments. We deliver certificate, diploma, and graduate diploma programs, hands-on learning, modern equipments, and industry engagement. We actively encourage and support women to build successful careers in engineering.
One of the key strengths of Australian Institute of Engineering is a strong connection with industry through apprenticeship pathways. Many of our students undertake apprenticeships that allow them to gain real workplace experience while completing their formal training. We collaborate with organisations including Engineers Australia, the Boating Industry Association, Composites Australia, the Foundry and Surface Finishing Institutes, the Marine Industry Association, the Victorian Skills Authority, and the Manufacturing Skills Alliance.
Students gain hands-on experience with the complete life cycle of engineering projects, from interpreting designs in CAD software like SolidWorks, through manufacturing, machining, welding, and surface finishing, to final implementation. Our Advanced Design and Manufacturing Centre, known as ADAM Centre, bridges engineering design with real-world manufacturing. The robotic arm lets students simulate automated manufacturing processes, improving precision, efficiency, and workflow understanding. ADAM Centre provides hands-on experience with metals, composites, and advanced manufacturing systems, giving students a complete understanding of how engineering concepts are transformed into finished products and preparing them for careers across modern engineering industries.
Students gain hands-on experience. They work with CNC machines, robotic arms, milling operations, welding bays, including MIG, flux core, TIG, and stick welding, plasma cutting, and hydraulic presses. Engage in VR simulations and participate in marine craft activities such as cutting, polishing, and applying resin or silicone. Additional equipment includes bandsaws, guillotines, pan and manual metal folders, lathes, 3D printers, and HazChem areas. In addition to accredited training, AIE introduced the Micro Skills Academy platform to meet rapidly evolving industry needs. It offers non-accredited micro-skills and micro-credentials designed to address emerging technical skill gaps and respond quickly to new technologies. The Institute also provides collaborative spaces with student lockers, table tennis, and recreational areas, creating an engaging environment where students can relax, collaborate, and recharge. Engineering is evolving at lightning speed. Can education keep up? At the Australian Institute of Engineering, we give you hands-on learning that mirrors the real world. Apply now and start shaping your future today.